you will not.
Hey, why can't we get this effort at the Braille house, Uzi?
You're not just looking. All right, we are here today, and where are we, Gabe? Is this where you brought us to murder us?
Memorial Skatepark.
Memorial Skatepark.
No, do you want the real reason we came here? Because look at those damn nets.
I'm so glad that we came for the hoop.
Hey, where'd you eat for lunch, Uzi?
Dude, we could get this ramp and skate those ramps.
Hey, where'd you eat for lunch?
Sandwich from Safeway.
Okay, let's get this party started.
Oh.
There is literally a bug on the lens.
Dude, just what the?
We starting in here again?
Nah, we're hitting the gap, dude.
Oh, boy!
Not gonna lie, I'm pretty surprised you just hit that.
Oh my God.
Oh!
Nobody skates this park. Not a single person.
No?
You didn't hear that? Look at it, that's rust.
Hey, is that rust from the coping or your skating's rusty?
Why do you think you're funny?
I went to the gym yesterday and that hurt my inner cord right there from laughing so hard.
What the? Where is this effort when we're doing floor is lava?
Name on your suicide list tonight. You just gotta start calling me names and all this stuff for no reason. I'm not doing nothing to him.
Aaron, if you think we should do a Nigel versus Uzi boxing match, I think they should leave it in the comments below.
Should we?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Okay, we'll get a ring. We'll get some giant gloves. It'll be Nigel versus Uzi boxing match. You down, Uzi?
Literally murdered people, and this man I don't know what he's thinking. Like, you're not even in the same boat, bro. Not even in the same boat.
Wow. Aaron, want a fist fight?
Why are you coming at me?
No.
I don't either. I want a hug.
They're still going.
They're still going at it. I know. I think they're about to start fighting.
No, I'm literally.
Glow, if they start fighting, are you breaking it up?
No.
This is the greatest video we've ever made.
We're gonna get this picnic table. You ready? Whoa!
Oh, ooh. Yeah. Oh! That's the most street skating you've done in 5 years.
I know, I saw this meme the other day that had like Gandalf with a little hobbit, and it was like, when you're over 30 and your friends ask you to go street skating.
Hey, Glow, you hit the nose man here, I got you $10. Oh! Oh my! Dude, this skate park brings out
I like stuff like the rail and the other stuff. You know what I mean?
Yeah, you're right. Oh!
80s, baby.
You can bend down like that.
Yeah, you did.
Say 80s, baby.
Wow! Woo!
I was thinking about that. That hasn't been waxed since 1876.
I don't know if it's ever been waxed.
400 years ago.
Let's try.
That was pretty much a boneless, right?
Yeah, I would say so.
It's pretty much a boneless, huh?
They said, dang, that ledge is pretty good if it wasn't in a pile of dirt.
Oh my God. Hey, come on. Hey, I'm 2 for 2 on parks that are pretty fun. Oh, alley-oop!
I want to take all the bad parks and I want to rate them 10 out of 10 just because I feel for them. You know what I mean?
Feel for him?
Yeah. I mean, just look, you got a ramp and just this thing, enter the food chain. Oh, okay. That makes sense.
This park is giving me very weird vibes. Not bad vibes, just weird.
It's like The Last of Us, Part 2.
Did you buy Elden Ring last night?
No.
Come on!
I know.
Nigel, would you like to rate this? All this?
0.
This whole thing?
0.
0?
The mini ramp gets like a 2.5.
2.5, okay. But the bench?
0.
0.
What?
Let me rate this from the hood, the Montana hood. This bench right here is really good. You can have picnic and skateboard. I'll give it a 10. This half pipe, also super sick. It's got skate light on it. I'll give it a 9. In this ramp right here, it's a 5 because you can only skate it one direction, down.
You know, after all-terrain tour, Aaron, I kind of miss Montana.
That's what we were just talking about. We'll go back.
I said,
Oh yeah, that is good.
Leave it in the comments below if you'd watch me streaming Elden Ring.
Oh! Oh! You know, hey, real quick before you go, I'm noticing a recurring theme at all these skate parks. Look at this. Rail, ledge, and curve. Oh!
Oh boy.
Okay, I'm gonna die if I keep trying that. Should I keep trying it?
Yeah, you should.
Okay. We have got to move that rock.
You felt that?
That's right, look at it.
Oh yeah.
it's the rock's fault. Look at it.
Throw it, throw it.
Elden Ring, Elden Ring.
Oh boy, we got it.
Oh! Wow, Glow! All right, Aaron, if you land this frontside flip right now, I'll find the nearest Jamba Juice. And I will buy you a Jamba Juice, whatever size, whatever flavor.
Front foot going that way.
Yes.
Ball grab in.
Are you sure you wanted a Jamba Juice or you want some pho?
I want some French fries.
Dang, you're just gonna snake the trick, Uzi. Frontside flip ball?
You win.
What did he win?
I thought we were doing frontside flip off. Oh, I knew it.
Keep going. He's in a line.
He's mid-line. Dang, that was Zelda Breath of the Wild.
So what you got to do right now is imagine this skate park is the boss of Elden Ring. You got to put your head in the game and you got to go to war with this boss until you win.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, come on!
Okay, now I'm ready.
Elden Ring. Elden Ring.
I suck at Elden Ring, I just realized.
Yeah.
Oh! That was one back. I'll get his back.
I wanted a line. Let's go.
Yeah, you show that. You show. Yeah, Uzi did land. Hey, that was commitment though.
I accidentally did a triple. Okay, right here, double for the people.
If you land it right here, I'll go to the car, get a basketball, and play basketball for 10 minutes.
All right, if I land it right here, basketball is wiped off the face of the planet.
Oh my God.
I'm sorry, Steph. I'm sorry.
I saw some toe.
Okay, the hip, so good. 10 out of 10, because it just is good. And the quarter pipe, that's pretty good too. I'll give it like an 8.5 out of 10. This flat bar, we definitely need to sweep it. Same with this ledge. And this ledge needs a lot of wax.
I just don't like what did they do right here? It's just a patch of nice concrete to newer concrete to old concrete. What's going on?
I feel like this rail's pretty good though.
The rail is.
What would you rate it, Dan?
I love flat bars. I rate it 7.9 out of 10.
That's good. Okay, it does grind. Okay, this is good.
Wow.
Whoa!
That was good.
Ready for game?
All right, rate the skate park.
10 out of 10. No, this park is good. Like I said, I like to rate the worst parks better. I'm gonna give it an 8.
8 out of 10.
Yeah.
I think that's more than the last park.
The last park I rated it a 6.
What would you rate this park?
I give this park, hold on, I'm thinking of it like
All right,
my,
Uzi's-
wait,
Uzi's
wait.
thinking. Okay.
I gotta think of this.
All right, then think about it and I'll come back to you. Well, what would you rate this park?
Well, since we all love hips and we all love small rails, with that being said, this is a phenomenal 3 out of 10 because if you fall, you're gonna rip your clothes. Not only are you gonna rip your clothes, you're gonna get cut through the clothes and then you're gonna bleed, and that's only fun sometimes.
I'll give the hip like a 7.
So overall,
Cement hip like that.
3.
out of 10. Uzi.
I give it a 6 because it has good obstacles, but I have a pet peeve with the ground. I hate ground like this.
All right, we hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know in the comments below what skate park we should review next. You, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. Check out all those videos right there. We'll see you in the next episode. Let's go.